Master's Insight number 191. Functional Disorder to Organ Failure, a Warning. Author, Fuchi Wu, Master. Co-author, Little Paradise Design Strategist. August 27, 2025. This list is not a medical hypothesis. It is a warning from the body. Everyone is the same. No one is spared. Toxins have already accumulated. The question is, will you wait until organ failure? Before you awaken. 5 stages of warning. Stage 1, Toxin accumulation. The body begins to feel discomfort. It can still compensate and maintain. If toxins are cut off at this time, health may still be restored. Stage 2, functional disorder. Toxin concentration is already high, but not yet at saturation. The body shows warning signals. Dizziness, insomnia, indigestion, skin problems, joint pain. Each person's condition is different. No way to measure toxin levels. Whether reversible, no one knows. Functional disorder is a warning, not a minor issue. Stage 3, saturation point. In one part of the body, toxins reach a critical level, beyond the capacity of metabolism and repair. Once the saturation point is crossed, structural damage begins immediately. This is the dividing line. Stage 4, organ failure. Toxins break the saturation point, causing structural organ damage. Medicine can only slow it down. It cannot restore the original state. The weakest organ falls first. Some suffer cirrhosis. Some kidney failure. Some heart failure. Stage 5, final stage. Multiple organs fail in succession. The body can no longer maintain function. Systemic collapse occurs, and death follows. From today onward, refuse all toxins. Stop their accumulation in your body. From now on, break free from the tragic fate of being a human air purifier. Declaration of the Little Paradise Sacred Device. The Little Paradise product sequence is the sacred device given by my Lord to unlock human lifespan. It has no therapeutic function. My Lord's will allows no one to steal it. Counterfeiters and all who use counterfeit goods not only violate the law, but also offend my Lord's will. The consequences are theirs to bear. Preserve health. Save the sick. Assist longevity. Benefit all beings. My Lord is supreme good. He does not seek worship. Functional disorders, cardiovascular system, 1 to 20. Heart palpitations. Irregular heartbeat, fast or slow. Blood pressure rises and falls. Feeling flustered after slight activity. Cold hands and feet. Shortness of breath after a few steps. Occasional chest pain. Chest tightness during sleep. Difficulty breathing when lying down. Frequent dizziness. Blackout when standing up. Heavy head and light feet. Rapid heartbeat after waking. Swelling in the calves. Shoes become tighter easily. Fingertips turn purple. Irregular pulse. Sudden cold sweats. Numbness in hands and feet. Heart flutters with emotional stress. Functional disorders, cardiovascular system, 21 to 40. Chest tightness in cold weather. Cough worsens at night. Frequent shortness of breath. More comfortable sitting than lying. Climbing stairs feels harder than before. Dizziness after a nap. Strong throbbing in neck arteries. Heavy sweating after mild exercise. Sudden awakening with rapid heartbeat. A skipped heartbeat sensation. Occasional chest pressure behind sternum. Unable to stand for long periods. Frequent pale complexion. Flushed face after slight activity. Purple lips. Headache during rapid heartbeat. Persistent fatigue. Restless sleep with many dreams. Dizziness from long-term low blood pressure. Mood swings cause big blood pressure shifts. Functional disorders, nervous system, 41 to 60. Declining memory. Difficulty concentrating. Short-term memory gaps. Forgetting familiar names. Frequent headaches. Recurring migraines. Tightness of the scalp. Eye dryness with dizziness. Ringing in the ears. Seeing flashing lights. Frequent blank mind sensation. Easily forgets daily tasks. Decline in judgment ability. Chronic insomnia. Sudden midnight awakenings. Desire to sleep but cannot. Drowsy during the day. Extreme fatigue after waking. Emotional instability, irritability. Persistent anxiety. Functional disorders, nervous system, 61 to 80. Sudden feelings of panic. Breathing difficulty alternating with anxiety. Constant sense of pressure. Extreme fatigue after excitement. Hand tremors. Numbness in hands and feet. Involuntary muscle twitches. Slowed nervous reactions. Unsteady walking. Poor hand and foot coordination. Blurred vision. Decreased hearing. Sensitivity to light. Sensitivity to noise. Easily startled. Frequent nightmares at night. Occasional stuttering in speech. Scattered attention. Slower thinking speed. General body weakness. Functional disorders, digestive system, 81 to 100. Stomach bloating. Indigestion. Loss of appetite. Sudden increase in appetite. Frequent bitter taste in the mouth. Bad breath. Thick tongue coating. Nausea. Vomiting. Discomfort after eating greasy food. Diarrhea. Constipation. Alternating constipation and diarrhea. Abnormal stool odor. Abnormal stool color. Abdominal distension. Bloating after small meals. Stomach pain. Heartburn. Acid reflux. Functional disorders, digestive system, 101 to 120. Frequent belching. Borborygmi, stomach growling. Abdominal dull pain. Dull pain in the upper right abdomen. Sharp pain in the lower left abdomen. Extreme fatigue after meals. Blood sugar fluctuations. Quickly feeling hungry. Waking at night due to hunger. Weight gain without eating more. Difficulty losing weight. Bloating even after drinking water. Sensation of food stuck in esophagus. Foreign body sensation in throat. Dry throat. Frequent desire for cold drinks. Uncontrolled appetite. Dependence on sweets. Eating too quickly. Appetite fluctuates greatly. Functional disorders, respiratory system, 121 to 140. Chronic cough that does not heal. Frequent throat dryness and itching. Hoarse voice. Rapid breathing. Shortness of breath with activity. Breathing difficulty at night. Difficulty taking deep breaths. Chest tightness. Dull pain in the lungs. Uncomfortable reaction to smoke smell. Sensitivity to cold air. Frequent nasal congestion. Runny nose. Sneezing. Coughing immediately after dust exposure. Cough that continues after exercise. Wheezing during breathing. Asthmatic breathing sounds. Sensitive trachea. Excessive phlegm for a long time. Functional disorders, respiratory system, 141 to 150. Phlegm with abnormal odor. Sensation of phlegm stuck in throat. Unable to take a deep breath. Difficulty exhaling. Shortness of breath climbing stairs. Attacks triggered by weather changes. Constant heaviness in the chest. Cool, painful sensation in the lungs. Dizziness from perfume exposure. Frequent hypoxia with brain fog. Functional disorders endocrine system, 151 to 160. Thyroid enlargement or nodules. Hyperthyroidism with heat intolerance and palpitations. Hypothyroidism with fatigue and swelling. Irregular menstruation. Worsened menopausal symptoms. Male pattern baldness or hair loss. Abnormal hair growth. Recurring acne or adult acne. Abnormal skin oil secretion. Sudden weight gain. Functional disorders. Endocrine system, 161 to 180. Unexplained weight loss. Increased appetite but weight loss. Constant thirst, frequent drinking. Frequent urination at night. Hand tremors with palpitations. Frequent hypoglycemia with cold sweats. Dizziness when hungry. Difficulty losing weight. Muscle weakness. Decreased libido. Male impotence. Female infertility. Abnormal breast discharge, high prolactin. Early onset osteoporosis. Bones fracture more easily. Frequent bone pain. Bulging eyes, sign of hyperthyroidism. Sudden mood swings. Abnormal sweating, too much or too little. Brittle nails that break easily. Functional disorders immune system, 181 to 200. Frequent colds with slow recovery. Small wounds heal slowly. Gums often inflamed. Recurring mouth ulcers. Frequent tonsil swelling. Recurring rhinitis or sinusitis. Allergic rhinitis. Hay fever. Atopic dermatitis. Frequent skin rashes. Asthma attacks. Food sensitivities such as milk or seafood. Reactions to cosmetics. Allergy to metal jewelry. Drug sensitivities. Unexplained fevers. Unexplained body aches. Persistent fatigue like chronic fatigue syndrome. Never feeling rested after sleep. Minor colds that turn into major illness. Functional disorders immune system continued, 201 to 210. Recurring pneumonia. Shingles that keeps returning. Fungal infections such as athlete's foot. Recurring vaginal infections in women. Frequent bladder infections. Persistent fungal infections hard to cure. Recurring intestinal bacterial infections. Positive immune tests without clear disease. Sensitivity to temperature changes. Frequent feelings of chills or fever. Functional disorders urinary system, 211 to 220. Frequent urination. Night urination more than twice. Sudden strong urge to urinate. Dark yellow urine. Foamy urine. Strong smelling urine. Difficulty urinating. Feeling of incomplete urination. Dribbling after urination. Weak urine stream. Functional disorders urinary system continued, 221 to 230. Interrupted urination. Burning sensation during urination. Dull pain in the bladder area. Pressure in the lower abdomen. Lower back pain with urge to urinate. Cloudy urine. Blood streaks in urine. Weak urination. Pain in genitals during urination. Urine volume fluctuates greatly. Functional disorders reproductive system, 231 to 240. Male impotence. Premature ejaculation. Reduced sexual desire. Dull pain in the testicles. Testicular swelling or shrinkage. Decreased semen volume. Poor semen quality leading to infertility. Excessive menstrual bleeding in women. Very light menstruation in women. Irregular menstrual cycles. Functional disorders reproductive system continued, 241 to 250. Severe menstrual cramps. Hot flashes during menopause. Vaginal dryness. Pain during intercourse. Abnormal ovulation in women. Polycystic ovary signs. Recurring ovarian cysts. Uterine fibroids. Infertility. Bleeding after intercourse. Functional disorders. Skin system, 251 to 260. Dry skin. Rough skin texture. Skin peeling. Recurring itching. Eczema. Teenage acne. Adult acne. Dark spots. Early onset age spots. Loose skin. Functional disorders. Skin system continued, 261 to 270. Increased wrinkles. Loss of skin elasticity. Slow wound healing. Skin easily allergic. Redness after sun exposure. Severe reaction to insect bites. Frequent hives. Peeling on palms or soles. Vertical nail ridges. Brittle nails. Functional disorders. Bones and joints, 271 to 280. Joint stiffness. Joints feel stuck after waking. Knee pain. Lower back pain. Swollen finger joints. Wrist pain. Shoulder stiffness. Neck makes sounds when turning. Tendency to hunch back. Abnormal bone density tests, osteoporosis. Functional disorders. Bones and joints, 281 to 290. Bones fracture with minor movement. Hip joint pain. Joints dislocate easily. Spinal curvature, scoliosis. Early signs of herniated disc. Pain in long bones. Bones feel weak and soft. Fractures heal slowly. Pelvic pain. Chronic joint inflammation. Functional disorders. Eyes, ears, nose, throat, 291 to 310. Declining vision. Blurred near vision. Blurred distant vision. Night blindness. Light sensitivity. Dry eyes. Excessive tearing. Floaters in vision. Early signs of cataracts. Early signs of glaucoma. Ringing in the ears. Hearing loss. Recurring middle ear infections. Nasal congestion. Snoring. Hoarse voice. Dry and itchy throat. Enlarged tonsils. Difficulty swallowing. Persistent hoarseness. Organ failure, cardiovascular, 311 to 320. Heart failure. Myocardial infarction, heart attack. Calcified or damaged heart valves. Severe arrhythmia, requires pacemaker. Aortic dissection. Aneurysm rupture. Hypertensive crisis. Cardiomyopathy, dilated or hypertrophic. Complete coronary artery blockage. Sudden death syndrome. Organ failure, nervous system, 321 to 330. Ischemic stroke. Hemorrhagic stroke. Cerebral infarction. Cerebral hemorrhage. Alzheimer's disease, dementia. Parkinson's disease. Multiple sclerosis. ALS, Lou Gehrig's disease. Status epilepticus. Malignant brain tumor. Organ failure, respiratory system, 331 to 340. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. Emphysema. Pulmonary fibrosis. Lung cancer, small or non-small cell. Severe irreversible asthma. Bronchiectasis. Pulmonary embolism. Pulmonary hypertension. Severe pneumoconiosis. Respiratory failure, requiring ventilator or ECMO. Organ failure. Liver and gallbladder, 341 to 350. Cirrhosis of the liver. Liver failure. Liver cancer. Severe fatty liver, irreversible. Obstructive jaundice. Bile duct cancer. Gallbladder cancer. Severe posthepatitis fibrosis. Late-stage autoimmune liver disease. Late-stage alcoholic liver disease. Organ failure, kidneys and urinary, 351 to 360. End-stage chronic kidney disease. Uremia. Long-term dialysis dependence. Kidney cancer. End-stage polycystic kidney disease. Glomerulosclerosis. Kidney transplant rejection failure. Irreversible acute kidney injury. Ureteral obstruction with hydronephrosis. Urinary tract cancers, bladder or ureter. Underscore 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 underscore. Organ failure, digestive system, 361 to 370. Esophageal cancer. Stomach cancer. Small intestine malignancy. Colon cancer. Pancreatic cancer. Late-stage ulcerative colitis. Severe Crohn's complications. Perforated gastric ulcer. Recurring intestinal obstruction. Pancreatic necrosis. Organ failure, immune and blood, 371 to 380. Acute or chronic leukemia. Malignant lymphoma. Multiple myeloma. Late-stage lupus erythematosus. Severe Sjogren's syndrome. End-stage AIDS, severe immune deficiency. Complete transplant rejection. Severe rheumatoid arthritis deformity. Idiopathic thrombocytopenia. Late-stage sickle cell anemia. Organ failure, bones and joints, 381 to 390. Severe osteoporosis with multiple fractures. Fixed hunchback deformity. Avascular necrosis of the hip, needs replacement. Total knee replacement. Severe spondylolisthesis with nerve compression. Severe herniated disc requiring surgery. Malignant bone tumor. Spinal metastasis of cancer. Pathological fractures of long bones. Bone marrow necrosis. Organ failure, eyes, ears, nose, throat, 391 to 400. Mature cataracts, require surgery. Late-stage glaucoma, optic nerve atrophy. Macular degeneration, blindness. Retinal detachment. Corneal ulcer perforation. Acoustic neuroma. Permanent deafness. Chronic otitis media with bone destruction. Throat cancer. Tongue cancer. Final summary. Functional disorder is the body's warning stage. Everyone may experience it. Organ failure is the body's final stage. Medicine can only delay. It cannot reverse. The only strategy for longevity is to stop functional disorder from worsening and to prevent organ failure. This list is not a medical hypothesis. It is the warning your body is sending. Every person, without exception. Poisoning has already begun. The question is, will you wait until organ failure? Before you awaken.